We're gonna do a cold start in this 1969 CJ5 Jeep Willys today. It's fall and it's cold out, and it's been sitting quite a while, this Jeep. So I guess we'll see how it's gonna start.
For a couple of weeks, I think.
Yeah.
I better find the keys first.
I'm gonna say not this again.
This?
To see more cold start videos, go check them out on my channel. I have plenty of them. And come on now, let's get cranking.
All right.
I got the exhaust like right by my legs.
Wow.
Oh, this is what you call cold start. There we go. Still got the choke on. Like I said, the exhaust is right by my leg. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the comments too. There we go. I also got cold starts to this on my channel. The 71 Chevy C10 small block 350. So if you like to see cold starting on that, go check it out on my channel and subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. All right, peace out, everyone. See you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Peace.